Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. I am going to show you how did I create this look, the one that I'm wearing right now. Isn't it beautiful? It's really nice. I have created this look using an eyeshadow palette that I received in my PR package. This is what I feel is a drugstore palette and it has such gorgeous colors into it. I am amazed and the result is outstanding. The color payoff is so good and doesn't have much of fallout. I created this look using this, and one more product is that bling on my eye. It is also one of the products that I received in my PR package. Beautiful product, beautiful result, and I loved the outcome. In case you want to know how did I create this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start up with a nice moisturizing facial cream, and the one that I'm using today is from Benefit. This is Total Moisture Facial Cream. This is quite hydrating and I'm going to apply it all over my face. My under eyes also feel a little dry nowadays, so I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream under my eyes to hydrate it pretty well. For a nice overall glow, I'm going to use my favorite matte strobe cream. I will apply it all over my face. And now for my foundation, I am using the Dior Backstage foundation and my color is 2.5N. I'm going to apply this foundation with the damp beauty blender, and this foundation is so lightweight. It is apt for people who have dry skin and I just love it. It's beautiful. It's an everyday wear foundation. It's a buildable foundation, so if you want heavier coverage, you can definitely build up this foundation. For my concealer, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. And blend it well with the damp beauty blender. Now we come to highlight, and I'm going to cream highlight with the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer. This is in the shade Light Warm, and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. And now I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. For the contour, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation, and this one is in the shade 1.1. I'm going to use the contour side for contouring my face. The powder that I'm going to use today is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm going to set my face using this powder. And for the contour, I am using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to use these nice contour colors to contour my face. For the blush, I am using this Kiko blush and I love this color. Now we come to eyes, and the eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is Maelstrom, and this one is from Delanchi. I'm going to start with this color right here, which is called Wasteland, and I'm going to work it into my transition area. To deepen up this color, I am using this color which is called Rice Paper, and I am going to work with this color on top of the color that I've already worked with. I'm going to use these two colors in the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to use this MAC pencil in the color Definitely Black. This is a pro long wear eyeliner and this doesn't smudge at all. I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line and the upper lash line as well. And now for the main lid color, I am using this shade which is called Era. This is actually no color, this has just got nice sheen into it, and I'm going to apply it as my main lid color. I am going to use it as my highlighter as well on the brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes. Now for my eyeliner, I am using the Lasting Gel eyeliner from Kiko. And now to add that pop of glitter, I am using this one from Etude House. This is Mirrorholic. I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of the eye and on top of my lid as well. Now we come to the highlight, and for my highlight today I am going to use this one from Fenty, and this is the Kilowatt highlighter. For my lips, I am using this lip pencil from MAC, which is called Boldly Bare. And fill my lips with this gloss. This gloss is from Colourpop and this is in the shade Roundabout. This is the So Juicy gloss and I love the color. This gloss is so beautiful. It doesn't feel heavy at all on lips. I just love the color of this gloss. And finally, I am going to finish off the whole look by using the Morphe setting spray. So this is the final look right in front of you, and the star of the show were definitely these two products that I used on my eyes, and I absolutely loved both of them. In case you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time my video goes up. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.